Kishane Thompson ran exactly 3 races for Jamaica and resulted in a silver medal at the Paris 2024 Olympic Games. Kishane Thompson lined up against a very strong field. Noah Lyles, Oblique Seville, Marcel Jacobs, Fred Curley, Kenny Benerick, Akani Simbini, and Lester Tobago. Kishane left everything out there on the track for Jamaica, and he can be very proud of his accomplishment. A lot of us felt a little bit of disappointment mixed with joy, knowing that he is the fastest man going into that Olympics, and at the end of the race he was announced as the winner before a review of the time resulted in a photo finish with Noah Lyles, where they both had 9.79, giving the victory to Noah Lyles by 4,000th of a second. Check out the Kishane Thompson story.
Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Rewrite the Narrative as we explore Kishane Thompson's journey into the sprinting spotlight on track in Paris 2024. In 2023, a young sprinter appeared on the scene at the Jamaica Championship, leaving many spellbound after his first heat of the men 100 meters. Competing from lane 8, the powerful MVP athlete effortlessly won his race in 9.91. This was Kishane Thompson's grand introduction to the world. A coaching decision meant that he did not return to the semifinals, but Thompson re-emerged on the Wanda Diamond League circuit, clocking impressive results, including a personal best of 9.85 in September. He closed the season with a 4th place finish at the Diamond League's final in Eugene, clocking once again 9.87. Fast forward to 2024, and the 23 years old has emerged the front runner for Olympic gold in Paris after his victory in world leading 9.77 at the Jamaica Olympic trials at the end of June. The performance followed the times of 9.82 in the heat and 9.84 in the semis, and Thompson now sits joint at 9 on the world all-time list. Less than 2 weeks later, at the Eastern Memorial in Hungary, Thompson effortlessly cruised to a 9.91 win, beating a strong field including world silver medalist Lester Tobago and 2-time Olympic finalist Akani Simbini. This year is the best I've ever been health-wise, Thompson said after his performance in Kingston. Running the 3 rounds at this championship to help me better understand my body and the sport. I was never short on confidence, but I believe I have much more to do as I can run way faster. Deep down, I look forward to some great competition and nice vibes from top sprinters. From Michell town to Paris. Thompson, known for his quiet and respectful but playful demeanor as well as his remarkable intelligence, was mentored by Dennis May and nurtured by coaches Oliver Haywood and the late Neville Maitan at Garvey Maceo High School. After transferring from the Bustamante High School, Maitan, the former legendary Jamaican middle distance runner with a pen chart for spotting talent just by looking at their smile, predicted in 2018 that Thompson would become one of the greatest sprinter of all time. Maitan also predicted that Veronica Campbell-Brown would achieve success from a young age. Due to a combination of factors including shin splints, hamstring injuries, and COVID pandemic, Thompson was unable to fully showcase his talent at Jamaica's premier high school event, the renowned Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championship. After graduating high school, Thompson made a decision that spoke volume about his character and strong emphasis on the importance of family. He declined an overseas scholarship to Iowa Western Community College because he did not want to be away from his fraternal twin brother Kishane. They both wear a special amulet they symbolize that symbolize their love, motivation, and inspiration for each other. His personal quirk is kissing it before settling in the blocks, affectionately called Big Art. Thompson was scouted in 2019 by coach Paul Francis, who arranged for him to receive a scholarship to the University of Technology. He is currently studying for his bachelor's degree in sports management. Outside the lecture theatre, Thompson is under the expert tutelage of the Francis brothers, Paul and Xiamen, at the MVP track club in Jamaica. Most sprinters have one of two qualities: a strong start or finish. However, Thompson is unique in possessing both. His other qualities include height, explosive power, aggression, and a strong determination to succeed, all of which points to a future filled with excitement and success. Thompson comes from a quiet fishing village of Michell town in the parish of Clarendon, which was recently devastated by the powerful Hurricane Beryl, as Thompson's family and the villagers patiently put their life back together. They will take a brief pause lasting just under 10 seconds to make a moment that could bring positive news to their community on August 4th. Having not yet floored the accelerator, Thompson has given expert some homework to find out how fast he can go. The Olympic Games in Paris will be the last real test, and all the guesswork will be laid to rest. There you have it. Kishane Thompson's walk to stardom, from a quiet Michell town, a quiet fishing village in Michell town, to Olympic glory in Paris. Please remember to like and share the video. Rewrite the narrative.